Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, ooh, I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours.
Hello y'all, we are back again. It's your boy DaeDae. If you're new to the channel, please like, share, subscribe. We got 2-2 over here chilling. Yep. And it's about that time. So let's start putting the bike together right now. If you didn't watch the previous video, I just bought a roller, a GT's roller from Volts. Bought a Predator from Volts. And pretty much all my parts. I'm getting custom pipe, custom seat done. And that's about it. That's all I'm waiting on, really. I bought a Heller clutch. No, take that back. I bought a Premier clutch yesterday. So one of these Predators right here, I'm gonna take so I can do my bike. This is my bike right here. Feel me? It's like a navy blue, clean. Feel me? Brand new. Volts over here packing up a bike to ship out, like always. You need to lose some more weight, so y'all give him some more bikes to ship out so he can lose some more weight. All right. Sheesh. That's about it. We finna go get some food though, cause we've been running errands.
I know, and it's all baby's fault though. Cause no,
It's my fault.
yeah.
Cause we didn't get no food.
Who's driving?
I wasn't driving. I got a Tesla that drives itself. So I like this bike. It's a nice looking bike. GT's. It looks like a 6-inch on the back. It is a 6-inch. Big fat tire. Nice Volts gas tank with the tabs put on by Volts. Yeah. I feel like it's gonna be quite an interesting day. I'm gonna do a breakdown of the Predator. I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna show y'all what a Predator look fresh out the box. So I want to show y'all stages of building, stages of me building my bike basically, and what are the possibilities, what are the problems you run into, what are the outcomes, what are some things you gotta do to make, what are some of the things you gotta do to make your bike work well.
Ass is coming in.
Hey. So, shout out to Harbor Freight for the Predators. Hey, Harbor Freight, I need a sponsor. I need more Predators. We got more projects to work on, so I need a sponsor. All right, everyone, we're back. Me and Voss went to Subway. Had some nice, healthy sandwiches. I love this tire, but I'm gonna set this right. I'm gonna set it right here. Right. So we're gonna do an unboxing of one of these Predators. 2 of these are customers, one of them is mine. I gotta do some work on both of them. So I'm gonna just unbox one of them so we can see what it look like on the inside. So I'm gonna just take this. Come grab this. Bring it over here to my handy dandy floor. And I got a razor blade somewhere, so let's get that.
DaeDae was making fun of me because I'm fat. Well, y'all see me skinny in 2 weeks? It's because of DaeDae.
Good beers. Alright. Boom. So take that and bam. 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 Boom. These are good. Alright. So, right here, we have our 212 Predator owner's manual safety instructions. Don't need that. We have your spark plug remover tool. Comes with that, 2 pieces. Don't need that. Styrofoam. Don't need that. And here we have the behemoth of the 212. Alright. Before use, fill gas here. Add fuel stabilizer. Add engine oil below. Now, when you buy a new Predator, they do not come with oil. Yes, they come with shipping oil. That's not much. So make sure you always take out that shipping oil that they put in there and add any oil your choice. I prefer the 4T oil that we sell at Volts that you get at VoltsMinibikes.com. So Make sure y'all stop, pick up some.
It's enough for 2 motors.
And it's enough for 2 oil changes. Yeah. Or 2 motors, whichever one you prefer. Alright, you ready? 1, 2, Come check it. Boom.
So this is yours?
No.
So it is
The customers.
Oh, okay.
I'm just showing them unboxing of it. So I won't have to do the same videos, right? You get me? So right here, you got your gas tank, you got your stock exhaust, you got your intake. That's pretty much it. On the inside of this intake, if you come over here, come look at this. Let me show them the cheat code. So if you pull this tab right here, that opens up to get inside that air intake box. Boom. You got your filter that we probably never use, but it's there just because, you know, people always say, oh my gosh, you guys never run filters. Oh, we're in LA, we don't really need them. It barely rains out here, or any dust really. Over here, wait, run that back, turbo. Right here you got your valve cover, you got your spark plug. If you look underneath here, you have your carburetor, right? You got your heat shield, protect you, or whatever machine that you decide to put this on. Right here you have your pulley cage. This is what we use to start the motors with. Got your blower housing which attaches to the pulley cage. Further back in there you won't see, but there's some white things that are fans that help keep the motor cool, and behind that you have the flywheel. You get me? Stay with me. I know I talk a little fast, but I promise it's all gonna make sense. Then what the carburetor and the exhaust sits on is what we call the head, and there you have your components like your springs, your valves, and your rockers. Up here, springs, rockers, and valves. Right here you got, pull this cardboard off. You have your crank, which comes with a stock keyway that we never use because we always pull out the big boy clutches and a lot of muscles. Right here you got your side cover, which usually gets switched out anyways, and everything all sits in your block. So on the inside you got your governor, your rod, your cam, and your piston, your lifters. Inside the sleeve of the motor, which is inside of the block, the piston. Oh my gosh, bro, just hold the camera straight. Jesus Christ, you're like a 5-year-old. All right, so you got your piston that is connected to the rod, which connects to the crank, which allows the piston and the rod to go up and down, which creates that combustion that the motor needs. And Jesus Christ, y'all see why I can't do these videos? But simple things. We'll throw this away, we don't need that. Oh, right here you have your on and off switch. Now, right here, you have an oil sensor which connects to the motor. If you're keeping it stock, it lets you know if, bro, why are your arms stretched out like that? Jesus Christ. Yeah, so the oil sensor is connected to the shutoff, which keeps tabs on your oil level if you're ever running low on oil and your motor won't start. And if your oil sensor is still, oh my gosh. Can you just hold the camera?
Bro, it's good. Okay, just talk. I got it. This is why I'm getting a good view.
Good view? Alright, Bree. You look like professional. Up in here, if you crack this bad, oh, one thing. Always make sure your gas stop is closed, so you want to spin it. You want to spin it a couple of times, don't hurt yourself. Then all the gas caps usually come with chains just in case you ever lose it. Up in here you have your fuel filter. I can show you right now if I can get it out. Boom, you got your fuel filter, so if you ever go to the gas station, really we don't use them because when we
stops the gas.
Yeah, you got to put your gas in very slow. Usually in a rush. So let's start to break down this motor. We're gonna go from there. It says no E85, but guess what? We put E85 in mini bike motors anyway, so what? Who cares? Alright, let's get to it. Alright, give my camera, bro. Jesus Christ. This almost dropped the Milwaukee drill. I didn't really get a chance to show y'all the insides of the motor, but I have done in previous videos before, so make sure you check out my previous videos for it. But I'm tired. I just knocked out 2 motors back to back. They're all still stock Predators with 22 carburetors on them that they got from votes. So no governor, 22 carburetor. It's in both. You can tell this one has a red gas line. That one got the orange gas line because they're for two totally separate bikes. But here go my bike. I got my bike up on the surgery table right here. I was really want to talk more in depth about what I bought because I bought some more parts too. So as you know, I'm going to be running a 53 gear on the back for a 35 chain. This is aluminum right here. It's one solid. It's not the split sprockets that, you know, people usually run, the red ones. I like these better because they hold up pretty better and they're lighter. So going with that. Then right here I have the Premier clutch right here. Now this is the 14 tooth clutch, which means it comes with the bearing inside instead of the bushing. Now I want the bearing because the bushings burn out. Now since they're bearings, I can grease it, maintenance it, make sure it's good, and it lasts. To me, it would last much longer. Now for rod choice, I'm going with the Predator non-Hemi standard stroke. Maybe on the side 3.28. Let's see if I get that to focus. I'm going with the Predator 3.28 standard stroke rod. So this is my bill of rod that I'm going to be running. I'm going to be running a flat top piston right here, non-Hemi also. And I'm going to be running the billet side cover because I want the post fittings for the breathe. I want the engine to breathe very well. And I like seeing the oil go across back into the valve cover. It's pretty tight. And right here we have our billet flywheel. I believe the timing is 32 degrees. Let me double check right quick. Yes, so 32 degree timing advanced flywheel. So going with that, I have my valve cover spacer that allows me to tap in from one of my post fittings back into my head. Keep everything nice and lubed up, you know. Oh, I forgot my springs, but I'm going to be running a dual green springs also. So right here we have our 28 flat side carburetor. I'm gonna keep it on gas for now because I am gonna be attending like ride outs. I'm planning on going to Vegas soon to go mess with my boy T.O.B. out there and his pops and Austin and the whole Vegas crew out there. That's about it, really. I'm waiting on my pipe, my custom pipe. I decided to go with a 5-stage pipe because it just sounds cool to me. So I'm gonna go with the 5-stage pipe. I'm gonna have it exit from out the side. So instead of having it center exit like people usually do, let's see. Come over here. We have, I believe this is the side exit. So it's gonna come out as so, but a 5-stage right here. We have a 4-stage. So mine is gonna be a little bit longer. Now compared to the center exhaust, which usually sits at so. Oops, say my particle. Usually sit like that. Now, there's no problem with that. I just tend to like the side exit look. I remember Tommy first started doing that look on his bike, and I always liked it. You know, he had it on the orange one, he had it on the purple one, he had it on the blue bike, he had it on the blue and chrome bike that he bought from Woody. And a few other his bikes. I know the red one has it now. His black and chrome one has it now. So it's just like, I just like the look. Then I decided to go with the black diamond stitch seat, but I'm getting mine's what color? I'm getting a gold stitching. So it's going to be black leather, black surroundings. I forgot the name of that, but I'm gonna have gold stitching in it. So I'm curious to see how that look. This is the first time I'm trying to attempt, like, not color matching, but like putting something to a bike. Like usually, as long as it runs, I ride. But this time, I'm gonna try to do it the right way. Now, for grips, I haven't decided. I might just go with some black Pro Taper grips, but then I gotta wait for them to get ordered. I forgot about that. we'll see how it goes. You know, I want everyone to be proactive with this. With the next few videos I'm going to be posting, I know sometimes it may be a little bit boring, but I know people wanted more informational, more educational videos. So I'm just trying to give y'all what y'all want. And my Predator is somewhere around here. I put it in the back. So my Predator is around. I'm going to be going standard crank, standard valve size, and I'm thinking about pouring the head too. I don't know. I haven't had thoughts on that. I might run it without the port, then put the port on to see if it actually makes a difference. Actually, I might do that. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Then, other than that, oh crap! I need a brake spring. I need to put a brake spring on. Size 5 tri-stars, typical with everybody, right? That's about it, really. That is honestly about it. Yeah, my bike would look nice with some black tri-stars, but who knows? I don't know. It might throw off the whole color thing. I'm not too good with color schemes. Oh, then later on down the road, I'm looking for a Tillotson. I really would like to do a Tillotson, but I'm having mixed thoughts, mixed emotions about that, so I haven't totally figured that out yet. Oh, and also I think I'm gonna go gold gas line too. Why not, right? So we'll see. And also, I forgot to mention, Votes is coming out with his own special cams that represent his company, his brand. So make sure y'all support to that. I'm waiting on mine to come. They supposed to be coming next week, so hopefully they come next week, and I could put all the billet parts in. For now, I'm gonna just run it stock with pipe, carburetor, and pipe, carburetor, and no governor. That's pretty much it right now. I hear a Lotte lady. Loki on that Lotte. So let's see what's popping. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my bike yet. I have pretty much all the parts. I'm just debating. I've also got these black wheels over here. Tri-star rims. I'm debating if I'm gonna put the black rims on, because like I said before, I'm gonna do blue and I'm trying to stick with a blue and gold theme. Yeah, I know I'm terrible at doing colors, so work with me. Work with me. I'm just staring at it, staring at it, staring at it. Making Votes mad, staring at it, making Votes mad.
Just do not come out.
You said I don't do nothing.
No, I said this do not come out.
You gonna knock me out?
No, bro, I said this do not come out.
I would ask you to repeat that one more time, but I know you would be mad.
No, I said this do not come out.
Oh, it didn't. Tough situation, my boy. Tough situation. So, come over here. Look at some brake work that Mr. Votes just did. You know, Mr. Votes welding and fabrication. See, he added this peg right here. He added this peg. He did the brake. Look how good it looks. Look how amazing it looks. Hey, Votes, did he get these tires from you?
No.
Oh. He should have got them from Votes. But yeah. Votes can. Oh yeah, look at that. That's nice. There we go. Is it loose? Okay.
Yeah.
Well, everyone, I think I'm going to end the video right here. Much haven't really went on at the shop today. You know, that's per usual. It's pretty much not really anything going. So, if you're new to the channel, please drop a like. Make sure you subscribe. Hit the post notifications, because I'm going to be dropping more frequently, alright? I'm telling you, I'm dropping some heat. I'm just waiting on my last few parts to come in, and it's a wrap. We back in the game with a hot bike, hot cruiser at that. So make sure y'all stay tuned. It's your boy DaeDae, and I'm out.